Welcome to Technify. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best pickleball paddles of 2024. If you're a pickleball enthusiast looking to elevate your game, these paddles offer the perfect blend of power, control, and durability. We'll explore the standout features, design, and playing experience that make each of these paddles a top choice for players of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll find the perfect pickleball paddle here. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and give us a thumbs up so you never miss an update from Technify. Let's get started. Number 5. Julus Simone Jardim Hyperion C2. The Julus Simone Jardim Hyperion C2 is a premium pickleball paddle designed for players seeking a balance of power, control, and precision. Featuring Julus Carbon Flex 3 technology, it offers excellent speed and responsiveness on the court. The paddle's hyperfoam edge wall enhances stability and expands the sweet spot, ensuring consistent, powerful shots. Its textured surface allows for improved spin, making it ideal for both offensive and defensive play. Designed with input from champion Simone Jardim, the Hyperion C2 provides a comfortable, ergonomic grip, allowing for greater control and reduced fatigue during long matches. This paddle is perfect for players looking to elevate their game with professional-level performance. Number 4. SLK Helix Pro. The SLK Helix Pro is a high-performance pickleball paddle designed for both power and control, appealing to intermediate and advanced players. It features a carbon fiber surface that enhances shot precision and spin, while its polymer honeycomb core provides a balanced combination of strength and responsiveness. The paddle's lightweight build allows for quick maneuverability without sacrificing durability or impact absorption. With an ergonomic grip designed for comfort, the SLK Helix Pro ensures long-lasting play without fatigue. Ideal for competitive players, it delivers consistent performance, making it a popular choice for those seeking a premium pickleball experience. Additionally, its sleek design and attention to detail make it both visually appealing and functionally superior. Number 3. Edgeless Pickleball Paddle USAPA approved. The Edgeless Pickleball Paddle is a sleek, high-performance paddle designed to enhance gameplay with a larger sweet spot and improved control. USAPA approved for tournament play, this paddle offers a seamless design without edge guards, reducing mishits and improving accuracy. The durable fiberglass or graphite surface, paired with a polymer honeycomb core, delivers a perfect balance of power and finesse, making it suitable for players of all levels. Its lightweight, ergonomic handle ensures comfort and reduces strain during extended play. Built for precision, the Edgeless Pickleball Paddle offers a competitive edge while maintaining a sleek, minimalist look. Additionally, its edgeless design reduces wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting durability. Number 2. Professor PhD Raw Carbon Fiber. The Professor PhD Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle is a cutting-edge option for advanced players seeking precision, power, and durability. Made with a raw carbon fiber surface, this paddle enhances ball control and spin, allowing for more precise shots and increased maneuverability on the court. Its polymer honeycomb core provides excellent shock absorption and a solid feel, making it ideal for powerful smashes and controlled dinks alike. The lightweight design ensures quick reflexes without compromising stability. Built with premium materials, the Professor PhD paddle offers both performance and long-lasting durability, making it a top choice for competitive players looking to elevate their game. Additionally, its sleek, professional aesthetic complements its high-level functionality, appealing to serious athletes. Number 1. Amazin' Aces Pickleball Wood Paddle. The Amazin' Aces Pickleball Wood Paddle is a durable and affordable option for beginners and casual players looking for a solid introduction to the game. Made from high-quality, 7-ply maple wood, this paddle offers excellent durability and a sturdy feel, ideal for recreational play. Its classic design provides a large sweet spot for improved accuracy and consistency, while the comfortable grip ensures easy handling during extended matches. Though heavier than composite paddles, the Amazin' Aces Wood Paddle delivers dependable power and control, making it perfect for those starting out. Additionally, it comes in a convenient set, making it a great value for families or groups. Its simple yet functional design appeals to those who appreciate a reliable, no-frills approach to pickleball. And that concludes today's exploration of tech wonders here on Technify. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let us know your favorite tech marvel in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. You won't want to miss our daily dives into the latest and greatest in technology. Stay tuned for more top-tier tech reviews.